It's this weird noise, bro. It sounds like a compressor or some type of generator. It keeps fading in volume and then increasing back randomly. I don't know what the fuck that is, but it sounds a bit concerning if you ask me. The last EBDs I wrote didn't sound like that. They didn't have that noise. Nah, but I like how these buses bring back the free seats. The free seats here behind the driver's cab, like the free windows before the rear door on a double-decker bus. It's been a while since we had that on buses, man, in the UK. But nah, I'll be so real. This wall here, it's pointless, bro. There should be something up there, man. It shouldn't just be some black bit there. Makes no fucking sense. Nah, but these are so lit, bro. I'll be so real. They're so lit to ride.
Thank you, driver.
Thank you.
Can't wait for more buses in London to, you know, change their buses, man, because this is actually lit. Where we're going right now for our buses right now, it's actually lit, man. I rate this so much.
Before you move, we'll call them, bro.